This term we are learning about New Zealand and the survival of Kiwi culture. We know that storytelling can help people learn about the culture of New Zealand, so we are going to tell you the story of Maui and the big fish. Maui always dreamed after the day he could go fishing with his brothers and the big sea. But Maui was always huge. Maui had a plan one night when his brothers were sleeping. He crept into a secret bank and took his magic jewel wand. He snuck into his brother's water and hid under a pile of flax net. When the brothers woke up in the morning, they went fishing and they woke up. But now everybody was not happy and they wouldn't give him any bait. Now he was fishing one deep into the ocean and waited. Soon he felt a tug on his line. He had hooked a giant fish. He pulled and pulled, but the fish did not want to come to the surface.